Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me, but I'm going to be integrating things that I've learned through my makeup school. Today's get ready with me is going to be a little bit different just because I'm going to be adding some tips and tricks that I learned with Online Makeup Academy. As I'm coming near the end of all of my courses on Online Makeup Academy, I just wanted to make a video basically just showing what I've learned so far. All of the tips and tricks I'm going to be using today were honestly really easy to learn, and I'm surprised I never learned about before. But with all that being said, let's just get right into the video. One of the things I really struggled with before enrolling in Online Makeup Academy was base matching. I never even knew what the undertone of my skin was, let alone what shade I needed in foundation. So for instance, I have really blue-green veins and my skin burns very bad in the sun. Those are two key factors of having a warm undertone. One thing I want to note before starting my foundation is the brushes I use for applying my foundation. Another thing I learned at Online Makeup Academy is there is two different sets of brushes. There is a natural brush and a synthetic brush. So with this synthetic brush, you're going to get like an intense color payoff and it's going to come off very quick. The synthetic brush doesn't apply as evenly as a natural one would. For the natural brush, it's going to be not as intense and the color is going to be more natural to begin with. So I'm just going to apply the foundation with my natural brush over on this side. And you can see that there isn't as much of color payoff and it doesn't distribute as unevenly, but it does create a very natural kind of glow or a gloss over the skin. So you can see right away that this yellow based foundation directly canceled out all of the red underneath my skin. So now I'm going to do this side with the synthetic brush so you can see the difference. Okay, let's go ahead and add it to this side. You can see right away how much product that this brush just dispersed onto the skin. And you can also see the lines that it leaves in the skin as well. So right away, you can see that the side I use the natural brush on is way more airbrushed. It created a very natural, even distribution. On this side with the synthetic brush, you can see more of the hair strokes and it is a lot less even distribution. The next thing I learned on Online Makeup Academy is that a lot of professional makeup artists prefer cream products over powder products. So for today, I am going to be using a cream bronzer to see the difference in how my makeup would look. Now to create the ideal face shape, I'm going to take the cream bronzer and literally just go around my face in a 3. Okay, future Jada here again. I just realized that I didn't really describe why I was doing a 3 shape on my face. It's because the ideal face shape to have in the makeup industry is an oval, and since I do have a round face, adding a 3 is going to put dimension exactly where it's needed in order to get an oval shaped face. I hope that makes more sense, but yeah. Thanks. So that cream bronzer is all blended out and you can just see the difference. The last tip that I learned from Online Makeup Academy is highlighter. So I want to share a little bit of what I've learned. I used to be under the impression that the bigger your forehead, the more highlight you need. But it's actually reversed. The bigger your forehead, the less you need. So let's go ahead and put it right into action. I'm just going to take a little tiny bit and make sort of a triangle shape right here. And that is going to create the illusion that my forehead is smaller. All right, same thing with under eyes. Just a small triangle here. And that's all I need to brighten underneath. Now that you can see, I literally gave myself a facelift using just makeup. I'm going to finish my makeup off camera and come back and gather my thoughts. Okay, here's the makeup look all complete. And I'm a little bit bittersweet because as I'm coming towards the end of Online Makeup Academy, I'm happy because I'm about to be a certified makeup artist, but I'm also sad because it's a new step in my life, and I'm very happy to be taking it, and I am very grateful for Online Makeup Academy. If you like these tips and tricks that I shared today, definitely go check out Online Makeup Academy. I have a code for I think $100 off in the description box. There is a lot of information you learn, and I promise it is all good information. I would highly suggest Online Makeup Academy to anyone who is looking to be a certified makeup artist. It is so easy. You can be any age, you can be anywhere, and you go at your own pace, which I love. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video.